In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Yahoo email password. This guide will walk you through each step to ensure you regain access to your account smoothly. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser of your choice. Just navigate to the Yahoo login page. Sometimes it's easier to type in Yahoo sign in into your search bar, and it will take you directly to the page you need. Once you arrive at the Yahoo login page, you'll see an option that says Forgot Password right underneath the password entry box. Go ahead and click on that. This link is your gateway to resetting your password if you can't quite remember it. Now you will be prompted to enter your account information. Usually, this means the email address or phone number associated with your Yahoo account. Be sure to enter this information carefully as it guides you to the next important step. Afterwards, Yahoo will need to verify your identity. This step is crucial for your account security, and it usually involves sending a verification code. Yahoo will automatically send this code to either your registered recovery phone number or your alternative email address, depending on how your account is set up. Once you receive the verification code, enter it into the field provided on the Yahoo website. If you don't see the email right away, remember to check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes these emails can end up there. If you've opted for the phone number, make sure you have good service to receive the message promptly. With the verification code successfully entered, it's time to create a new password. Make sure this new password is strong, combining letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. Avoid using easily guessed information like birthdays or simple sequences. To ensure you've entered the password correctly and haven't made any typos, you'll need to re-enter the new password to confirm it. This step is vital, so take a moment to double-check your entries match. Finally, click on Continue or Done. This action will confirm your changes and officially reset your password. Once you've clicked it, your new password will be set and you can return to the Yahoo login page. Enter your email and your fresh new password to log back into your account. By following these steps, you should now have full access to your Yahoo email account with a newly reset password. If you encountered any issues along the way, remember that Yahoo support is a great resource for additional assistance. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Yahoo email password. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful.